Very good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pia. I am a retired flight attendant back here in the Philippines for good. And we are currently here sa apartment namin because we're just fixing things. See? So we are in the apartment unit number 3. Finally, my husband and I decided we are going to sell the apartment para dagdag capital ng aming poultry business. We'll see. Yeah, we are finally deciding na benta na namin to. Para marami din kaming magawa. The apartment itself is just 1 year old and 3-unit apartment, 320 square meters. May fence na siya. Tapos lahat ng mga apartment units, they have their own carport. So malaki din siya. I'll show you how it looks. Sa bahay lang namin to ha, pero sa iba, the layout itself is the same. It's just that yung positioning ng mga stuff, iba-iba naman tayo. So, I'll show you how it looks. So, from here, ayan. This is the living room, and as you go that side, this is our TV. And then, if you go up, and then, there is a powder room. And then, ayan. Medyo makalat lang siya kasi we still don't have the time to fix things up. And then, let's go up. Ayan. Quick mini tour lang tayo. Ayan, ginawa na lang muna namin itong stock room kasi dalawa lang naman kami dito. Ayan, malaki ang yung mga rooms namin. Bedroom number 2 pala yun. Tapos we have another toilet and bath dito. And then our ayan, bedroom namin. Ayan. Then we have a balcony dito. Ayan. I think nagawan ko to siya na video about the unit itself. Yung katas ng Qatar. So yun yung medyo bare pa yung yung unit na yun. At saka maganda dito is yung dalawang units are already being occupied. Naka-contract na yun ha. So, may tirahan ka na, at the same time, may kita ka pa. So, saan ka pa nun? So, we are selling it kasi gusto namin ng tumira close to the nature. Medyo malayo din kasi parang 1 hour something yung tina-travel namin every day. Papunta lang sa farm. Yun naman, sabi ko sa inyo, I think we really want to expand sa farm. Kasi yun talagang gusto namin. So, hopefully, we'll be able to find a buyer for this. Of course, we are open for agents. So, those are interested, just please do let me know. Yeah, in the meantime, we're supposed to be going to the farm ngayon na, pero dahil nga may inaasikaso pa yung asawa ko, so we will be doing it after lunch na lang. So I'll be making pritong isda today as lunch, and tsaka malunggay with tanlad. Yun lang for the moment. And I'll keep you posted shortly, okay? I forgot to tell you pala. So, we have another, dito. Ayan. Makalat lang talaga siya because we didn't really have time to fix everything. Maki? No. Ayan. So, malaki pa yung lot sa kabila. Actually, that one was supposed to be for the 4th unit, pero hindi na namin tinuloy because we need more space for the parking. Dito mo siya makikita kung gaano pa siya kalaki. So, 2 car yung nilagay namin. So this one, the space here is parang another 1 unit pa. Mas malaki pa nga eh. Kasi may konting space yun sa layout ng plan sa building. So the lot area is 320 square meters. Pero yung floor area, since up and down siya, mas lumaki pa dun. So, murang-mura na siya kung iisipin mo. Kung bibili ka ng bahay worth what? 10 million, tapos hindi mo naman kumikita, then useless din naman. So, might as well, pagkakitaan mo na yung yung mismong bahay mo. So, ito, built na siya. Alam niyo naman gaano kamahal yung mga materyales at saka labor ngayon. So, kung meron kayong pera, might as well invest it into something na babalik pa yung pera mo in a few years. Yun. So, ayan guys. So, if you also want to extend for the 4th unit, ayan, naka-ready na yung mga kabilya. So, sabi ko nga, 4 units dapat to. Pero hindi namin tinuloy dahil we need a space. So, ayan. 2. So, there you go guys. Kakain tayo ng malunggay for today. So, ano na natin? Tanggalin na natin to. Ayan. Ay ko sa inyo dito sa probinsya. Kaya wala kayong pera. Bubuhay kayo. Hindi lahat ng pagkain dito binibenta. Minsan, nasa paligid nyo lang. Ayan. Malunggay. Masustansya pa to. Kung wala din kayo malunggay, hingi kayo sa kapitbahay nyo. May tanlad din. Ayan. So, mabubuhay ka talaga dito sa probinsya pag kahit wala kang pera. Ayan. Sabi ko nga sa asawa ko, magkain kami ng malunggay. Kasi medyo matagal-tagal na din hindi kami nakapagkain ng luto ng bahay. Lagi na lang nasa labas. So, health is wealth. Ayun nga guys, the reason why we're selling it kasi kailangan namin mag-expand. At the same time, of course, hindi naman namin gagamitin lahat ng pera sa bahay na to pag mabenta na. Hindi namin lahat, of course, we will segregate. Bili din kami ng lupa para magtatayo na naman kami ng another building. Yung papatayo namin pala guys is baka hindi naka-apartment, commercial building na. Kasi mas mabilis yun yung balik ng pera mo. I mean, in our own opinion lang ha. Pero dito naman, what's good about our apartment is that ang bilis nung nag-post kami online dahil nga ang daming naghahanap dito ng apartment. Ang bilis marentahan. Yun nga kakatuwa nga kasi kaka-clear lang ng last time namin for 1 year. 1 year sila last month, like the 30th of November. Tapos, nag-post lang ako parang 1 week ago. Kasi nga, tapos na yung isang nagrenta dito. So, at the same time, nagki-clear na din sila, naglilinis and all. So, natapos nila, ng clearing, parang just parang 27 yun. Tapos na lahat. Tapos na-check namin, okay naman. Tapos, kami lang yung asawa ko naglinis. Timing na timing, may naghahanap. Actually, maraming nag-check na pwede ba ma-check, ganyan. Kaso wala lang talaga kaming oras maglinis sa unit namin kasi ang daming namin ginagawa. So yun, may nag-message lang sa amin na pwede bang ma-check ang unit sa Sunday, which was the 30th din ng, the first na pala, December 1st na yun. Tapos pagtingin nila, sinabi nila agad, ma'am, pwede ba kaming lumipat na today, like tonight, ganon siya kabilis. So, nagustuhan nila agad-agad yung unit kasi nga, mura lang. Yung unit pala namin, guys, is bare. Walang AC, pero may na siya, parang parang ready for installation lang yung AC, ganon. Pero may big cabinets, built-in cabinets na kami. So, kayo na bahala paano nyo i-position yung mga gamit nyo. So, yun lang yung unit namin, and thankfully, may nagrenta agad. So, hindi talaga siya nababakante so far. Ayan. Malunggay lang, guys. Okay na kami. Wala yung sahog. Tanlad lang yan. At saka onion, asin. Sarap yan, trust me. Tapos magpiprito kami ng isda. Hey guys, so we are here at the farm again. We are going to expand the whole grower area now. Ayan guys, we are already on our full expansion ng mga growers natin. Ng grower house natin. Ayan. It's very bright and sunny day today. Very warm. Pero kahit paano, may hangin pa rin. My happy place. Hello, babies. Hello. Hello. I'll be ending my vlog for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and I shall see you again next time, okay? Let me enjoy my view here. See ya. Bye.